If you've ever found yourself digging through mysterious folders after recording a video or audio clip in VLC Media Player, today's tutorial is going to be a huge help. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the default storage location for your recorded videos, so you'll always know exactly where your files are saved. By the end, you'll have full control over where VLC Media Player puts your recordings, saving you time, hassle, and the frustration of tracking down clips. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up VLC Media Player on your Windows computer. I know this seems super basic, but it's always good to make sure you're starting from the right place. Make sure you're running the program itself, not just browsing a folder, so we have access to all the menus. Once VLC is open, head up to the top menu bar where it says Tools. Click on Tools, and then select Preferences. A little shortcut here. You can just hit Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open Preferences directly. This is a handy trick to save you a couple of clicks, especially if you're adjusting settings regularly. The Preferences window should pop up, showing a bunch of different options. By default, you'll be in the Simple Preferences view, which is perfect for what we need today. Now, look over towards the left. Find the section labeled Input OSH Codecs. Sometimes, depending on your version of VLC, this might just say Input. Click here to see the settings related to importing files and codecs. Within these settings, scroll down until you find a section called Files. In this area, you should see a field labeled either Record Directory or File Name, or sometimes just Record Directory. This spot is key. It tells VLC exactly where to put your recordings after you hit that shiny red Record button during playback. Right next to the text field, you'll notice a Browse button. Go ahead and click it, and you'll see a standard Windows File Explorer window pop up. If you've ever saved a document or picked a folder for downloads, this process will feel familiar. Now, navigate to the folder where you want your future recordings to live. Maybe you have a dedicated VLC Captures folder on your desktop, or perhaps you want everything sent straight to your external hard drive. Pick the folder that makes sense for you, and then click Select Folder or Choose. The wording might vary slightly based on your Windows version. You'll notice that once you've made your selection, the path to the new folder now appears in the Record Directory field. Take a second to double-check the location just in case. You want to make sure VLC is pointed exactly where you want. Finally, look down to the bottom right of the Preferences window and hit Save. This step locks in your change. It might take a few moments for the window to close, but don't worry. That's normal. From now on, anytime you use the Record button in VLC, your video and audio clips will automatically save to your newly chosen folder. No more hunting around in confusing default directories. So, with just a few clicks, you've taken control of your VLC Media Player recordings, and you'll always know where to find your files. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if there's another VLC tip you'd like to see, drop a comment below. I love hearing what you guys need help with. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.